lahat ng tao may hinahanap. May hinahanap sa mundong ito na mawawala yung kanilang pagkauhaw. For others, they think it's money. Basta mas maraming pera, masaya na ako. O mas maganda yung career ko, napopromote ako, okay na ako. And usually, others also, basta okay yung relationships ko. Basta may asawa ako, masaya na ako. Okay? Totoo ba yun? Basta magkaasawa ka, masaya ka na? Nako, sumagot yung mga may asawa. The truth is, temporary lahat yan. Diba? Temporary po lahat yan. Jesus answered, everyone who drinks this water will be thirsty again. But whoever drinks the water I give them will never thirst. Indeed, the water I give them will become in them a spring of water, welling up to eternal life. So the eternal needs. Ang slight difference lang po naman yan is yung spiritual needs is for the present life while we're here on earth. Okay? Overlap lang po yan. Pero ang eternal needs is kung saan tayo pupunta after this lifetime. So ito po yung future. But we all have all these needs. The woman said to him, Sir, give me this water so I won't be thirsty and have to keep coming here to draw water. The woman is looking for something na hindi niya, yung kanyang pag-uuhaw, mawawala. Forever na siyang masaya. Ang ino-offer po sa atin ni Jesus is something else na dapat siya lang po yung source.